Okay, here we have one of these old train hobby transformers. Haven't seen one of these in years. Found it at the Value Village store in Cornwall. Looks all nice. Got a little variac on the front. But what's inside it? Let's see. On the side here, there's tabs. It's not even screwed together. I've already bent them up so that I can take them out easily. And we'll see what's inside. A little piece of cardboard here. Well, that's not actually cardboard. I believe it's a flame retardant of some sort. Look at this old thing. Smells very strongly of vintage electronics. Look at that. Absolutely no protection on the transformer. No fuse. Nothing. There's not even a capacitor in this because, well, the train doesn't actually have to have very smooth voltage. But it's just a simple transistor. A lot of fun, but looks kind of dangerous.